the month of June 2018, one victim girl, resident of Ravanpur, lodged a complaint against one person, Bablu Nishad, who is a native of UP but presently staying in one of the rented room neighboring to the victim's room, had committed sexual intercourse with her in the month of August-September 2017 with the pretext of getting married to her, but he failed to get married to her. So in this connection we have registered a crime against Sir Bablu Nishad under section 376 and 420 IPC. And further, during the investigation, we tried to nab the accused, but he was absconded. Our team was sent 2 times at UP Devariya because he was the native of Devariya UP state. So our 2 times team sent to UP, but we could not be able to trace him. So in the meantime, we received information from the reliable sources that the accused is presently at Himachal in Mandi. So accordingly, our team consisting of PSI Harish Naik and our intelligence staff Gorakhnath Gaons proceeded to the Himachal to nab the accused. And with the assistance of Himachal Mandi police, we have managed to nab the accused. So accordingly, after nabbing, we brought him to this police station after taking the transit remand and arrested in this crime. So in this connection, our further investigation is in progress. So presently we have taken 8 days police custody remand for our further investigation.
सेक्शन किती झाले आणि ते जोडा असले प्रेग्नेंट असले आणि
Yes.
हँडिकॅपही असले.
Section under section 376, 420 IPC, and presently the victim delivered a baby girl last 1 month back, and she is disabled by one hand.